Wow, it is an honor to be here sa Sorsogon City for TEDx Rizal Streets. Pag-usapan natin, love scams. Kaya, let's go. Share natin yung story natin for more awareness para sa mga kabayan natin. Let's go.
To tell us a story entitled When My Identity is Used to Scam Others, What Can I Do and How Can We Take Action? Let us welcome on stage, Mr. Migs Bustos.
Hello. Hi, hello, and good afternoon. Ako po muli si Migs Bustos, and the woman there is Eliza Lo. This is me with King Charles. This is my picture being used in a US passport. So why did I do that? Reputation in the business of news, in the business of journalism, credibility is number one. And to be able to reassure the public that hindi po ako ito, hindi ko po ito gagawin. I'll leave you with a